There's fish jumping. And I think a little seal or something. That's Nishinomiya over there, but Ashiya, the next town over, has done a renovation on their hama, or harbor. You want to see? Check this out.
Through the process
I love this ironwork here.
and suffering.
He's in a canoe, can you see? And he's smiling. And why wouldn't you be? Over there is the new children's playground. Again, Nishinomiya Hama. And we'll go across that bridge. That's all reclaimed land over there. Beautiful building built like a ship. And away we go. Here's that cool building. We're just about to head out into where Osaka Bay will be. There's the Nishinomiya Yacht Harbor we've seen before. And let's get after it, Cuomo. Well, I figured out why they shaped that building like a ship. And it's because the little harbor's tucked in here in Ashiya. That's some... Oh yeah, that's the smell of money. And I've also dead-ended myself. So we'll go around to where the new part starts over on the east side of this. Check you in a bit. So here's a good lesson in plausible deniability. I believe these new kanji are for the new emperor, the Reiwa era, in his second year, on the 12th month, in the first day. From then until, again, Reiwa third year, and there we have an unconfirmed, an undisclosed date. Accountability? There usually are. This point is, this one, not so much. Just on the bicycle on the way over to here, I had a peek in. It looks really nice. That was the Ashiya City Grand Park. We'll head in here now to Hanshin Shore Corridor and the Shio Ashiya Beach, which is still a little under construction, but let's have a boo anyway. Hey, Bluey. Wow, it's really nice. Check this out. It looks like they've taken out the old sand as well, put in new. Not too much threat of tsunami here, yeah, because it's Shikoku is out there. It would probably break up any waves. Little plexi installation for a good, nice windbreak. All brand spanking, man. Nobody. Look at that. I just want to lick it. Very nice. Often beach volleyball nets, and as I said earlier, the barbecue area was in behind those trees. Hoping they'll continue that, because as I said, there's so few areas for barbecuing. Oh, little monkeys. They're gonna love it. All for the good people of Ashiya, baby. Yeah. You can see behind me the beautiful cabana. I was gonna go in there and lounge, but it's a couple people in there. Cabana boy, bring me a pina colada. Look at these ramparts, boy. It's like the Germans and the Japanese. I've mentioned before how good they are with forms and making the cement. All of it, brand spanking new. Just makes you want to invade Normandy with ramparts like this. Set up a 50 cal on the top of here and mow down some GIs storming the beach. Hey, take it easy. You Yankees, go home! Well, this what is around the corner. It's quite sterile. There's nobody out here. Look at these chunks of plexi as a windbreak. They're that thick. And down there, you'll see is where fishermen will be lined up, probably by the summertime. Shall we continue? Let's! I'll just take a little film of what it's like rolling around here. It's really beautifully built. I was riffing about repelling the Americans, yeah. It's the Omaha and the Utah beach and the stupid Canadians. It's the stupid Juno beach. Yeah, this is the 50 cal. Do you ever see a body come apart like that, Hans? Over there is Osaka. Out there is Kansai, K-I-X, Kansai International Floating Airport. Pretty cool. Very expensive. Here's just outside the perimeter, and Ashiya being known for its matsu or pine trees. They got these guys are taking quite a bit of wind, it would seem, I would guess. All of this brand new cement and not one stinking Italian in sight. Ugh, they must be aghast. Hey, how do you stop an Italian wedding? Tell them the cement's ready. Oh! Gotta love the Dice Man. As Jimmy told me, he was his own hype man. Okay, there's the Deguchi. That's exit. And that's what we're doing. Thanks for stopping by. If you liked what you saw, and if you like our stuff, support us on Patreon. For Gaijin TV, I'm Michael Phelps. Thanks for stopping by.